y'all, Chantel here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am filming my first video from my studio today and I love how it looks. I'm just looking at viewfinder over here. I think I like what I'm working with. Still trying to understand a lot of things, but we'll get there. Let me know in the comment section if you like what you see in this video. From the lighting to the crispiness, everything. Let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to also turn on your bell icon so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Alrighty, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the reason why you're here. Unboxing my new camera and other accessories. Before the questions start rolling in about where my hair is from, let me just give you all the tea. It's from A7iv, the amazing sponsor of this video. You can check them out on Instagram at A7iv. You see it's boldly written on the screen right now. She has the best prices, the best hair quality. You can easily spot a A7iv hair from a mile away. In a bit to upgrade myself in terms of content creation, I got a new camera, the Sony A7iv full frame. This camera is a big boy camera, to be honest. This is a huge investment. If you had told me prior to this time that I will cough out that amount to buy a camera, I'll tell you you're lying, but I'm so happy that I invested in it and I really love the output. I got the base only because I wanted to invest in a very good lens, which we're going to get into very soon. Coming from using a Canon and now this, I just feel like Sony is from the same cloth as Apple because they're just pretty direct and straight to the point. No serene, no accessorizing. Even the packaging, pretty simple, red and black. It has the Sony logo. Once you open the box, you see the AC adapter. After that, you get your manuals and the receipt. I got this camera from a reseller based in Nigeria. He's an accredited reseller of Sony products. Moving on from that, next is the MP-FZ100 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You also have the USB Type-C to Type-A cable. You have the shoulder strap and every other accessory you're seeing on the screen basically. Just behold the beauty that is the camera. It looks so sleek. I love the build of it. I really like the rose gold detailing around the lens cap. It looks really nice. The dial and every other button looks similar to the Canon one. I think I can walk my way in terms of operating this camera. In terms of weight though, this is way more heavier than the Canon M50 I am used to. This is not going to be a vlogging camera because it's too heavy to take out as a vlogging camera. I don't want to break my arms. So this is definitely just going to be my sit down video camera, my big boy camera. The only downside for me with this camera is that I would have loved if it came with an external battery charger. But like I mentioned, Sony is from the same cloth as Apple. They want you to buy everything. So I'm going to go on ahead and purchase an external battery charger. The next item I'll be unboxing is the Sigma 24mm f1.4 lens. This is a prime lens. I mean, I got this on a very good deal. I actually checked recently and I noticed that the price has gone up by a whole whooping $200. I got this for $684 on Amazon, but right now it's $800 and something. I wanted to get the 18 to 24mm zoom lens, but I'm sitting down to film a video. I might as well go with a prime lens and I don't regret my decision. So once you open the box, it comes in. You get the warranty card, the black carry-on bag, the manual, the lens hood, lens cap, and the lens itself, which is the big boy lens. It's so good. I got a memory card that is able to shoot in 4K and 8K. I'll leave all the links in my description box. You can just click on that and it redirects you to my Amazon storefront where you can shop all of my gear. I linked each and everything. Also picked up this remote control from Small Rig. Of all the accessories I've shown you all today, this is the one I'm most excited about. If you're a content creator, please go and get a remote control. Prior to this time, I used to use my phone for my Canon M50, but the range was a problem and most times my phone is dead. It gets tasking when I'm filming videos like fashion roast. It goes on and on because I have to get my points ready, right? And sometimes I'm at a loss for words and I'm just sitting down there with nothing to say, but the camera is recording. Other times I might receive a phone call, it gets cut off. Then the real work comes when I'm trying to edit. It goes on and on for just something of 15 minutes. So this has got to be one of the best things I invested in. It's not so expensive. It's about $24. I will leave it linked in my description box. Delivery of my light. I just got that now, as well as my dome diffuser. This is the Aputure SE Light dome. My light is the Amaran 200X. Just want to do a quick unboxing for you all. I have everything linked in my Amazon store. I created a list of all my filming gear. These I got from Amazon. My cousin brought them from the US for me. The Amaran by Aputure 200X light is a bicolor light, so I can change the settings whenever I want. There's a cheaper version, the 200D. The only difference for me, I would say, is the bicolor light that the 200X has. Aside that, they are pretty much the same. Yeah, let's just unbox.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasted something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you looked at me, and it's hard to explain it. But thinking about you makes me crazy. All the things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told him
Setup is still wonky. I haven't sat down to really arrange it very well, but it looks really good and well diffused. I don't feel hot at all. There's an app for it so that I can play with the settings and everything. So I'll talk to you later. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't. Which of these cameras do you currently own, the M50 or the Sony A7iv? I'm looking to sell my M50 alongside the lens, the kit lens, and every other accessory I have with it. So if you're interested, leave a comment in the comment section, or no, send me a DM on Instagram and we can talk. Before this video goes up, I will probably do a post about it on my community, the price and everything that comes with it, so that yeah, you can purchase if you want. I hope I don't sell it before then. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it?